Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to some makeup videos, some makeup reviews. Very excited to be back and sharing some really great products that I love, and I'm just really excited to try. There's so much new coming out right now and I'm obsessed. So we are going to be testing the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wand. This is the highlighter. I know that they brought out like a trio of blusher, contour and highlight, but I really wanted to try this out with you guys. So this is in the shade Champagne. Now, the first thing I noticed is that it looks exactly the same as like the Charlotte Tilbury one. It's got the nice little sponge applicator there, and you twist and press, squeeze, and it pops it out like that. So let's... So I'm going to use my finger to blend it out just because I find it the most easiest. And let's see how it looks. It blends really well. Oh yeah, okay, I can see it. That's pretty nice. Can we see that in the light? Yeah, I mean, it's not as vibrant as Charlotte Tilbury's, I must say. There's quite a few of beauty ones that I've been trying lately as well. Like I've just picked up the Revolution one as well. So if you want to see me try out the trio, the little contour, blush and highlight, let me know because I will. But that is actually nice. I mean, for the price of it, considering Charlotte Tilbury is just so much more expensive, this is basically half the price, more than half the price of the Charlotte Tilbury one. So I just thought I would use a sponge this time just to see if we get any difference there, but you can still see that it is very glowy. So I mean, for the price of it, it is not bad. I'm not disappointed at all. This is a great product, and I think it looks insane. It's really blended nicely. It looks really great on the skin, and it's not like making my makeup all patchy, which is just what I want. So I think it's actually quite a good little product there. Really impressed with that. The price of it is just unreal, so affordable, very easy to get your hands on. I'm going to give you guys a little swatch so you can see the colour right there, but that is what it looks like. Look how shiny and look at the glow. It is absolutely stunning, and it does look really nice. I think I'm going to add some more and see if it's more of a buildable kind of formula, just to see if we can get a little bit more over there, just because I like to be pretty glowy. I've kind of found my little makeup routine now, like how I like my makeup. I am a mum of two, so I don't have much time to get ready in the mornings anymore, but I do really enjoy coming up here and filming with new makeup, which is something I've not been able to do in a long time. But yeah, you can see it's very glowy, very pretty. I'm very impressed with this. What do you guys think? Are you gonna go and grab it? I'll link it down below. I actually got this from e.l.f.'s website. Also, if you join e.l.f. Beauty Squad, you can actually earn points when you purchase new products, and honestly, it helps so much. I got myself the e.l.f. Halo Glow, which I've done a review on as well. I'll link that down below. But if I went and got that, and within like basically with buying that, I was then able to get this just from the points. Like the points stack up really quickly. It's not like one of them ones where you have to wait like 10-11 purchases before you can get something. Like it stacks up really quickly. It's very good. So if you're interested, go and get it. Very affordable, looks great, love it. Also follow my TikTok for more of like the fun videos. I'm doing a lot of TikToks where putting music along, and like I am reviewing makeup first over on TikTok, just because TikTok is a lot easier for me to jump onto and film, just because I have 2 kids now. But I am doing YouTube. I'm so glad to be back. I really hope you guys can subscribe if you are watching me and you are new. Thank you so much for jumping on this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.